Really?
Currently, this thing's running stock electronics, but they're on their way out. So this will be saying goodbye. And this is the before of doing it. Stay tuned for the after. Pro tip for all you MT10 owners: to stop the body crapping out the pins, because we currently have none on it, just tape it on. Job's a good one. Duct tape for the win. Show us what it do before we strip its insides off. It sounds a bit rough. That looked harder than it should have been. Wow. That was just jamming. He's ruined it. That's it. That was a slap. The way it just like rolled along. Sure you're gonna make that one. Oh, you ruined it.
Really?
That's it, just try and kill the grammars. I love how it just sticks on the landing. Proud of yourself for that. Now seems like a good time to cue that meme music. Silver Surfer over here.
I think we need to leave it. It's gone. We may as well just accept our loss.
Might as well be on Mars, eh?
Can't touch the wet bit.
Oh, the big sad. Maybe next time we'll get lucky, guys. You get so jammy with these landings. It's like you don't know whether to put the brake on or the accelerator, and it just happens. Big sense. And a recovery too. Not bad.
Oh,
jeez.
Oh, something's come loose. Oh.
Yeah, now you got to undo the tape.
The body's gone that way. The cable tie snapped.
Only idiots call it tie wraps.
Hi, Dave.
If you want to point at Dave and call him an idiot, then more power to you.
I don't think Dave's an idiot.
That's not what you just said.
Dave is a very, very intelligent man.
Compared to a celery stick.
It's
yeah,
back.
we built that, isn't it?
And it's not bad. Oh.
It's back.
What in the world happened there?
He was trying to get away from you. He was like, nah, fam. Don't give me back to this geezer. Do you remember when we gave Sav the EXP and there was some guy walking along outside there and she nearly took his head off?
He played it off pretty cool.
He did.
I'd have been screwed.
See, there it is again, that like pure luck of landing. That's my doctor, he told me I've got bare skillage.
Oh no!
Oh, the tape failed. Imagine taping it up and the car's not even turned on.
Seems to want to move again. Oh.
It nailed it. Jeez, that was... I couldn't have imagined a worse landing for it. Before you take the body off, what are you saying?
The way it landed, I think it was this front end and everything flexed, and I thought, oh, that broke. I literally said as soon as it landed, I broke it. I don't think we have, but oh, there we go. There's the flex. But
Just so.
is that all you can see?
Bit of a snap.
That is it. That is the extent. What do you guys reckon? This, I was going to say for the money, this, regardless of money, is the best skate park bash you can get.
So what are you saying about the MT8?
MT8, I'm really excited
The big
for.
brother of this thing.
I'm really excited.
But is it going to live up to the same
No,
standard?
I'm calling it now. No, it's not. I'm really excited for it, and I want to try it.
We will
I'm gonna go. King of skate park bashes.